Why affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2023. If you're looking for an easier way to make money online, affiliate marketing is a great option. It's one of the most popular ways to earn money online. And it's relatively simple to get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing, in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Basically, you can sign up to be an affiliate for a company, and then promote their products or services. When someone buys something from the company you're promoting, you earn a commission. It's a pretty straightforward way to earn money. And there are a lot of companies out there that offer affiliate programs. These companies use affiliates to help them reach new customers. Why is affiliate marketing a good way to make money? There are a few reasons why affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. First of all, it's a relatively easy way to get started. You don't need your own products or services to sell. And you don't need to deal with shipping or customer service. All you need to do is promote the products or services of someone else. Secondly, it's a great way to earn passive income. Once you've set up your affiliate marketing campaign, it can run on autopilot, making money for you while you sleep. Thirdly, there's the potential to make a lot of money. If you can build a large and loyal audience through your content creation, you can work your way up to earning $100,000 a year, or even $100,000 a month through affiliate marketing. For example, ClickBank states on its website that they have hundreds of platinum affiliate marketers who earn more than $250,000 per year, along with an impressive number of diamond affiliates who earn more than $5 million per year. Fourth, affiliate marketing allows you to focus on your content creation and building an audience, while other people tend to product creation and customer service. Fifth, you can choose what you promote, and to a certain extent, how you promote it. You never have to promote a product you don't like, or shill for a company you don't believe in. Even though you are promoting other people's products, you are still the boss of your business, and you can feel good about only recommending those products you truly believe will help your audience. Sixth, you'll never spend months creating a product no one buys. You might spend one day or even a week promoting something that doesn't sell as well as you anticipated. But you can pull the plug anytime you choose and promote something else that is better for your audience, converts at a higher rate, or simply pay you more. And seventh, you'll never have to deal with customer service. I cannot tell you the nightmare hours I've spent responding to customers with the oddest, strangest, and sometimes most aggravating of requests. As an affiliate, in the rare case that a customer contacts you directly about a product, you can simply refer them to the product seller for help and guidance, while you rest easy knowing someone other than you is handling customer service issues. In 2023, there are more affiliate marketing programs to choose from than ever before, along with more ways to reach your audience. And more audience to reach, as even the most internet-shy people are now coming online with the rest of the world. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make money online, affiliate marketing is a great option. It's relatively simple to get started, and it has the potential to be quite profitable. Do you want to learn how to be a professional affiliate marketer? You can get done for your funnels. Email marketing is done for you. High-ticket commissions. And access to an amazing community. Join our amazing community. And free training every week, and you will achieve your goal of having your online business produce passive income for you in a very short time. Let me know. Click the link in the description or leave me a comment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.